Hi, Janice Winward here with Midnight Arts. Tonight I am going to be working on my magnets, trying to get them ready to sell. I don't have very many magnets. I have a lot of these made to make magnets, but I don't have very many magnets to put on the back of them. So I'm just going to tonight put on as many as I can and get as much done as I can. I just don't have the money to buy more magnet backs right now, so some of these will have to wait till another time to get done. But I have just enough of these square magnets to do these right here, so those are the ones I'm going to start with, and then I will probably move on to this shape here and do as many as those as I can. So I am just going to well, actually what I do with these, and I haven't used these squares before, so before I had a big sheet of squares that I got off Amazon. I believe I got these at either Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and so I haven't really used them before. But anyway, there, just peel off the back, stick it on. Oh that one went a little bit crooked. Okay, and then with these, I just have these little bags, and I put 4 in a bag, maybe. Oh, these don't look like they're going to fit 4 in there. Oh, I guess I must have had some bags that were a little bit bigger than this. Oh dear, well, I don't have any bigger bags this time. Okay, well, let me get a different bag. These are the bags I use for the bigger magnets. But, okay, these aren't going to fit in here. Well, they're in there now, I can't get it out. So what I did was I put 4 in. Then I use this little thing. If I wish I could remember how to use it. And I put price on there, which that you can't even read that, but it actually says $1. And then I staple them to my business card. And there it is, ready to sell. So that's what I'm going to be doing tonight. Maybe these round ones will fit in these little bags. Probably. I don't know. Okay. Oh, I can't get this off of here. If I can get 4 of these in there, probably not with those magnets on them. Okay, yeah, 4 of those will fit. 4 of those will fit in the bag. Oh, that's not hot enough yet. These do not have the sticking stuff on there, so I have to use hot glue for these. Ah, stuck to me. I didn't show you the package for this. but it's this magnetic buttons. I think I got it, I wish I could remember if I got it at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but one of those places I got that. And then these little ones here are probably the ones that I'm going to have to put on these round ones, and they're the same. I got them in the same place. I think I showed you the packaging for the square ones, didn't I? Same thing. And so they were from, I don't remember, Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Now that I'm sitting here thinking about it, I'm wondering if I picked them up at Walmart, but I don't think I did. Because usually, you know, I try to get stuff at Walmart rather than Michael's or Hobby Lobby because they're so much cheaper. You get the same stuff. Like these magnets have one coat of spray varnish on them. Well, the spray varnish that I use, actually I'll go get the can and show you what I use. I use this Krylon clear glaze triple thick, and I put a pretty good coat on when I do it. And at Michael's this was like $9 a can, and at Walmart it's like $3 a can. I mean, it's significantly less expensive at Walmart than Michael's. So I'm sitting here thinking, oh, maybe I did get these magnets at at Walmart, because I would, but I don't remember. I think it was either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I know I ordered some magnets off Amazon, and the first set of magnets that I did, I used the magnets off Amazon, but I used all of those up. I don't have any anymore. And I know the bags I had fit better than this. Okay, I know that I definitely want these gray ones, so maybe I'll do them next. I don't know which other ones to do. Those are kind of pretty. Do those. Maybe those. And a little bit tough getting off here. Want to stick to each other. I should have showed you how pretty they are. Whoops. Actually, they look a lot like this one. It's kind of pretty. Ooh, that one's really pretty too. Okay, I think you get the idea. So I'm not going to film the rest of these. I'm going to keep working on them. So thank you so much for watching. Please come back and join me again soon. If you're interested in any of the things that you see on my videos, please Facebook message me, Midnight Arts, because everything's for sale. And please subscribe, like, and share. And most importantly, please have a great night.